Hello everyone, welcome to certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn Microsoft is providing for the Research Science Internship 2025. So this is a disclaimer. We can go through the disclaimer. So this is the Research in Science Internship 2025. This is a paid internship opportunities and application guide. So step by step process, we'll go through that. So the Microsoft Research Science Internship 2025, this is apply now. Are you passionate about the cutting edge research, AI, data science, innovation? Microsoft is now offering the Research Science Internship opportunity of 2025. This is chance to work with a world-class scientist and engineer on the impactful project that shape the future of technology. Who can apply? So this is the apply link. We can go through this. So who can apply? Apply with a student pursuing the master degree and PhD degree in the computer science and data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence on related field. Internship highlight. Paid internship program is this. Work on real world research problems, collaboration of the top Microsoft researcher, opportunity to publish paper on the contribute to innovations, and we have opened the application link. This is the application, and so you can check with the eligibility and requirement how to apply step by step. So now go there, and requirement details is that preferred qualification is that there will be a master degree on PhD and targeted candidates. So who are data computer science at field and between 2025 to 2027 fill the self-assessment form to complete your application. So click this form. So when you submit this form, you automatically collect your details to name, email address, and unless you provide it yourself. So all the details you can provide and submit this form. And for this one, you can click on the apply. So sign in with Microsoft, LinkedIn, Google, and Facebook. You can sign in one of this. So live on Microsoft, this is showing the career of Microsoft. All the details are there. So overview of this one. So come build with the community, explore your passions, and do your best work at Microsoft. Opportunity to allow you to bring your talent, potential, excitement, and journey ahead. So this is the research science internship opportunity. This is a paid internship from Microsoft. So step by step process, you can go through this and just apply for yourself. And in this social links are there. You can go through the social link, connect with me. So YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and help them to get this internship opportunity. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for the more free certification and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Thank you.